Hey guys, today we're going to draw Miles Morales from the Spider-Verse. So let's get started. First we're going to do 2 circles on each side of each other for his eyes. And then in those circles we'll do 2 more, and that's going to be for the light. And go ahead and fill in the other side of the eyes. And then right above those eyes I'm going to do 2 squiggly lines for his eyebrows. And they're gonna kind of mirror each other, just like that. We'll go ahead and fill that in. Okay, now for his nose, it's gonna be another circle, but just don't finish it. So start with a lower curve on the bottom, and then a curve on the top like that. So kind of like a circle that we didn't finish. And then for his lips, what I want you to do is draw a frowny face, and then a second more gradual frowny face that kind of goes below, just like that, that kind of connects them. And then a very gradual smiley face that goes below that. That'll give us his lips. All right, now for his face, start over to the left of his eyebrow up a little bit, come straight down, and then we're gonna curve all the way around and go straight up. And then connect the two with just a very gradual curved line. And now we have his face done. For his ears, we'll do these 2 curves on each side with a little line in the middle. Just like that. And now his hair, for his hair, we're gonna just do these curls. And because we're doing kind of this cartoon version, draw it like you would a cloud. And just do these bumps, these clouds, all the way around. All right, we're getting there. Let's go ahead and go to his shirt. So on each side of the head, we're gonna curve in like this and down, and then bring it down over on each side like that. Come up to his chin and do another line right next to it. And then to finish off his jacket, we'll do one more that kind of matches the same direction of those lines, but we're gonna just connect them like that. All right, for his arms, each side will do the same thing. We'll curve down and then just stop right about there. Come back up for another finger and curve in, and another finger, curve like that. And then come on in from the other side like that for his thumb. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So we're gonna curve down and in, down and in, down and in, and then come from the inside of the jacket and go just like that. All right, for his inside shirt, all we have to do is just a little curve like that, or a straight line, either way. I'll go with a straight line. And then his pants will come off the edges and just create kind of these, I guess I say pants, but I mean shorts, just to create that look. Okay, almost there. His legs, just do 2 lines. The inside line make a little longer off the bottom of his shorts. And then we'll curve in for the bottom of his foot, and then like that. Just curve all the way around with a little, I guess, half moon shape. Same thing on the other side. So we'll curve around for the bottom, then up and over for his foot. Do the sole like that, another line, and some socks. All right, last of all for his jacket, I'm gonna put a little square there. We'll do the spider symbol. So draw like you're making a circle for the top there, and a circle for the bottom, and then one more underneath on the top, and we're going to create kind of this little spider icon. That one kind of looks like a bat, but it's close. And just that little design down there. Okay, now we have our Miles Morales done. I'm going to go ahead and color him in right now. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun, and I hope you will check out some of my other drawing videos, and I'll see you guys next time.